Hello, good morning. So we have quite the morning today. This is what it looks outside. It is absolutely snowing like crazy. We have so many horses in the barn at the moment, so it's absolute chaos outside. So I just ate my breakfast, made my coffee. Oh, the dogs are ready. So let's go feed the horses and take care of them during a snowstorm. Good morning, Pippa. Let's go. Let's go to work. Oh, wow, I can't see anything. This is horrendous. I can hear my mom screaming at a horse down at the barn. It's a good start. Good morning, ponies. Good morning, Hopi, Apollo, Miss Aries, Graciela, Bambi, Paloma. Solo's hiding. Solo! Hi, Solo. We have Miss Endeavor, Stitchy, Queen, Melody, and Bosco. Good morning! Alright, I'll make your breakfast. Okay, so we're gonna feed the guys in here first. A little bit of sweet feed. Senior for my old lady. Senior. Come here, no. Enjoy, Bambi. Pellets for Paloma. Enjoy. Babies. There's my little babies eating. We have a special guest appearance because someone doesn't have school today. Those are not barn shoes.
Did you show them the snow?
Yeah. We're doing a vlog. This is little happy hour. Look how beautiful she is. Rue baby's in the middle and baby on the back. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, now I really can't see well. Come on, tractor, please start.